Struggling to pay off multiple debts? You're not alone. Today we're breaking down the two most popular debt payoff strategies, the Snowball and Avalanche methods, and figuring out which one actually works for you. Brief overview. We'll explain how each method works, the pros and cons, and how to choose the right one for your situation. Stick around because I'll also give you a step-by-step action plan to get started today. The problem why paying off debt feels overwhelming. When you have multiple debts, credit cards, student loans, car payments, it's hard to know where to start. You might feel like you're spinning your wheels, making payments, but not seeing progress. The emotional toll. Debt isn't just about numbers, it's stress, anxiety, and feeling stuck. But the good news? There's a proven way to tackle it. You just need the right strategy. What are the Snowball and Avalanche methods? The Snowball method. With the Snowball method, you focus on paying off your smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on the rest. Once the smallest debt is paid off, you move to the next smallest, and so on. It's all about quick wins to build momentum. Example: Debt 1, $500, pay $200 a month. Debt 2, $2,000, minimum payment, $50 per month. Debt 3, $10,000, minimum payment, $100 per month. Pay off Debt 1, $500 first. Use $200 a month while making minimum payments on Debt 2, $50, and Debt 3, $100. It's gone in 3 months. Move to Debt 2, $2,000. Add the freed up $200 to its $50 minimum, paying $250 a month. It's gone in 8 months. Tackle Debt 3, $10,000. Now pay $350 per month, $250 from Debt 2 plus $100 minimum. It's gone in 29 months. The Avalanche method. With the Avalanche method, you focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on the rest. Once the highest interest debt is paid off, you move to the next highest. This saves you the most money on interest. Example: Debt 1, $500, interest rate 15%. Debt 2, $2,000, interest rate 0%. 20%. Debt 3, $10,000, interest rate 5%. Focus on Debt 2 first because it has the highest interest rate of 20%. Pay as much extra as possible on Debt 2. Continue making minimum payments on Debt 1 and Debt 3. Once Debt 2 is fully paid off, move to Debt 1, which has the next highest interest rate at 15%. Redirect all extra payments to Debt 1 while still paying minimums on Debt 3. After Debt 1 is cleared, focus on Debt 3, which has the lowest interest rate of 5%. Now all extra money goes toward paying off this final debt. Pros and cons of each method. Snowball method. Pros: quick wins boost motivation, simple and easy to follow. Great for people who need psychological wins. Snowball method. Cons: you may pay more in interest over time, not mathematically optimal. Avalanche method. Pros: saves you the most money on interest, mathematically the best strategy. Faster overall debt payoff. Avalanche method. Cons: takes longer to see progress, can feel discouraging if high interest debts are large. Which method should you choose? Choose the Snowball method. If you need quick wins to stay motivated, you have a lot of small debts, you're overwhelmed and need a simple plan. Example: if you have 5 credit cards with balances under $1,000, the Snowball method might be your best bet. Choose the Avalanche method. If you're focused on saving money on interest, you have high interest debts, e.g. credit cards or payday loans. You're disciplined and don't need quick wins to stay motivated. Example: if you have a $10,000 credit card debt at 24% interest, the Avalanche method will save you thousands. Hybrid approach. You can also combine the two. For example, pay off one small debt first for a quick win, then switch to the Avalanche method for the rest. Action plan. How to get started list. Your debts. Write down every debt, the balance, and the interest rate. Choose your method. Decide whether Snowball or Avalanche works best for you. Set a budget. Figure out how much extra you can put toward debt each month. Automate payments. Set up automatic payments to stay consistent. Track your progress. Use a spreadsheet or app to see your debt shrink over time. To recap, the Snowball method is about quick wins. While the Avalanche method saves you money on interest, choose the one that fits your personality and financial situation. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more real-world money tips. Drop a comment below and tell me which method you're going to try. I'd love to hear from you.